Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best endoscope camera for iPhone, control and reliable performance for home repair, plumbing checks, and automotive diagnostics. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. LAFOCH J108 Endoscope Camera. The LAFOCH J108 Endoscope Camera is a compact inspection tool designed for users who need clear visibility in tight and hard-to-reach spaces. It features an 8mm lens paired with a hard wire structure, making it stable and easy to guide during inspections. The 360-degree rotation capability allows flexible viewing angles, which is especially helpful when checking complex internal areas such as pipes, machinery, or vehicle components. With IP67 waterproof protection, it can safely handle damp or wet environments, adding versatility for plumbing or outdoor maintenance tasks. This model supports both photo capture and video recording, allowing users to document findings in real time for further analysis. The Type-C, USB, and Lightning compatibility ensures it can connect with a wide range of devices, including smartphones and tablets, making it highly accessible. Its CE certification also indicates compliance with standard safety and quality requirements. Although it does not include a built-in screen, it relies on external device display, keeping the design lightweight and simple. Number 2. WDSZKMYF 334H Endoscope Camera. The WDSZKMYF 334H Endoscope Camera is built for advanced inspection work where precision and control are essential. It features a 6.0mm ultra-thin lens with 1080p HD capability, delivering sharp and detailed visuals even in narrow or hidden environments. One of its standout features is the two-way articulated probe tip, which can rotate 360 degrees, giving users full directional control during inspections. This makes it especially effective for automotive engines, HVAC systems, turbines, and other complex mechanical structures. The flexible probe, approximately 3.3 feet in length, allows smooth navigation through tight spaces while maintaining stability. With adjustable LED lighting, visibility is enhanced in dark or enclosed areas. Number 3. INSKAM S43-OTG Endoscope Camera. The INSKAM S43-OTG Endoscope Camera is a versatile inspection device designed for wide compatibility and practical everyday use. It supports 360-degree rotation, allowing users to adjust the camera direction easily for better visibility inside narrow or complex spaces. The hard cable construction provides stability during use, making it easier to guide through pipes, engines, or mechanical systems. This model is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, supporting Android 6.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus through Type-C and Lightning ports. It delivers up to 2-megapixel image quality with a resolution of 1920 by 1444 for photos and videos, offering clear visual output for inspection tasks. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures protection against dust and water exposure, although it is recommended mainly for light moisture conditions. Number 4. ENWOR QWE-741 Endoscope Camera. The ENWOR QWE-741 Endoscope Camera is designed for users who need advanced dual-view inspection capabilities. It features both front and side HD 1080p cameras, allowing simultaneous viewing from 2 angles on a single display. This dual perspective significantly improves inspection accuracy in confined or complex environments, such as machinery, pipelines, or automotive systems. It connects via Wi-Fi and is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices, making it easy to use without physical cable constraints. The built-in 2600 mAh battery provides up to 5 hours of working time, which is suitable for extended inspection sessions. The device includes adjustable LED lighting for improved visibility in dark areas and supports both photo and video recording for documentation purposes. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it performs reliably in wet or harsh conditions.
Number 5. LAFOCH IP67 Endoscope Camera U200. The LAFOCH IP67 Endoscope Camera U200 is a flexible inspection device designed for users who need multiple lens and screen options. It features a built-in 4.3-inch display, allowing standalone use without requiring a smartphone connection. This makes it convenient for fieldwork where external devices may not be available. The camera supports both 6.2mm and 8.5mm lens sizes, providing flexibility depending on the inspection environment. Its hardwire construction ensures stable control during use, while the 360-degree rotation feature allows precise navigation inside tighter, curved spaces. With IP67 waterproof protection, it is suitable for use in damp or wet environments, such as plumbing or outdoor inspections. The device supports both photo capture and video recording, helping users document findings directly on the built-in screen. Connectivity options include Type-C, USB, and Lightning, ensuring broad compatibility with different systems when external connection is needed. And that wraps up the top 5 best endoscope camera for iPhone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.